Takulandirani pano pa Malawi Live Today. Wachiwiri kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino a Michael Husi anayendera bungwe la Adimaki. Takhalani pomwepo timvetsere kuti zinayenda bwanji.
Yona akulowetera ni kukishini
achitabwino tate tikuonesa nacho ukoko How much will it cost me to make this program? So if this should run and can help to transport things, this is therefore it's just a rotting here. It's a lot of money. And this one, is it working? It's rotting
no,
there.
You
see, it's rotting. This one
works.
But you see, this one can easily fly here. This is government money. This will work, but it's not working. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. And even I'm being deal. Let's go see. This one. How much is needed here to make it run? China soldiers. It has been left to die. It has been left to die. And yet,
Your Honor, so this is the office of the CEO. From here, we want to go to the boardroom and we are having discussions. Thank you. Thank you so much. You can read the word again. So for the media, we'll just give you at least a minute to take pictures and videos, and then you will excuse us as we open sound. Your Honor, I'd like to welcome you to Agriculture Development and Marketing Corporation. And this morning, we are really grateful as the Minister of Agriculture that we host you to see what the FD actually does, what has been for them is what they're doing and what the future plans. With us, we have Mr. David Sano, who is the Director of Administration in the Ministry of Agriculture. We are here in the southern region together as we are doing our activities. Immediately on your left, we have the CEO of AGRA, Mr. Dan Magata, who is going to introduce the senior management team. So I'll go back to you.
Yeah, thank you. One of our managers, who is the regional manager for Banta District, Mr. McDonald Joe, sitting in front. He is responsible for all operations, which is Banta, Mwanza, and
Thank you very much. Yeah, so this is the team that has joined us